The traders are answering your questions. First up, Carl in Miami asks, Sarat, what's the outlook for Yelp?
So Yelp's up 15% for the year. They've finally focused on their business. They've changed their sales force. They're focused more on earnings now and cash flow. I like the stock here. I think you get another opportunity down the road. But if you hold it, own it, and you can buy it a little bit down the road.
Okay. Nathan in Chicago wants to know, Stephanie, should he buy more Cisco systems?
Yes, I mean, a really great quarter last week. I'm surprised it wasn't up more on the news. They had a beat and raise. Their total revenues rose 7%. Their public revenues, which is the government shutdown business, up 17%. And their enterprise business up 11%. Very broad-based. Almost every region grew other than Russia. So I still think the valuation makes sense. You should hear the CEO and CFO on this call. So bullish, so optimistic, and they really are executing quite well.
Okay, Sam asking Joe if he should still hold on to Microsoft.
So the S&P overall market cap is what, about $24.1 trillion. You have four companies that make up $3.2 trillion of that, so that's nearly 12 or 13%. And Microsoft at $833 billion is the world's largest company right now. Why? Because of the leadership, because of the diversification structure, and because software is proving itself to be a defensive form of technology. And I think that is what Microsoft gives you above Amazon, above Apple, and above
Isn't it
Alphabet.
amazing what Satya Nadella has done with the
He's
company?
done a fantastic job.
You know, when people say leaders,
This-
CEOs don't matter, they're too out of touch, that's the guy who's really turned that company around.
This is a stock, and listen, I think Pete Najarian's had this stock from the 40s or maybe below. I know I've had this stock from around $62, and it's a long-term hold, but it's an easy hold. Yeah. It's a stock that's very easy to keep in the portfolio.
Okay, John getting a call from Chicago, probably a cousin. Probably. Stuart in Chicago wants to know, Las Vegas Sands, buy, hold, or sell?
I would buy it still, even at this level, even with the run they've had. In January, Macau, into Golden Week, they didn't do so well. The numbers were down 5%. Overall casino numbers, and people kind of got a little worried about that. And then Golden Week came along, and they were up 26% year over year. So I think things are just fine for Las Vegas Sands. I would buy it at this price.